Hey ladies, it's Ashley with Melanin Beaute Boutique, and it is Weave It Up Wednesday. So today I opted to go and get some box braids. Now this is my natural pressed out hair. I've been rocking this bob for about a week or two. So I'm actually headed over to the boutique room in Norristown to get some knotless goddess box braids. So yeah, come check it out with me. So my goddess braids are in, and this is the final look. I'll let you guys get a look at the ends because they're super pretty. They're really nice and curly. So I'm really loving it. I like how long that they are. So the top, I kind of got the braids diagonal, or like, no, they're called like triangle parts, and then the back is kind of like boxed, if you can see. But I really like the long ends and I like the length. I did get it like all the way past my butt, so you can check out that photo. So about a few things about the hair. So the hair I bought on Amazon, and I'll leave the link in the description box. But I bought the hair on Amazon, and apparently it looks pretty, like I got the ombre type hair, but apparently it was hard for my stylist to use that hair, I guess because of the texture. It was a little bit slippery. So if you do decide to go with goddess braids, you might want to get the it's called Expressions Kanekalon hair, so you might want to try that instead of this hair. I'm going to put the information in the drop down so I can show you what I bought on Amazon. So it's your choice if you decide that you want to use that hair or just get the Expressions, because my stylist told me that is a little bit better. Now for these curly ends, I actually have a different type of hair, which is this model glance braid, and I got the it's the New York, I guess, curl pattern, and I got it in a it's a 30 pretty much. It's like an ombre, so it starts dark at the end and it at the top, and then lighter at the end. So it's basically crochet braiding hair, so she was able to thread it in to the Kanekalon hair to give it that, you know, wavy curl at the end that I really like. So that is pretty much how I achieved the look. So I am liking the goddess braids. They're very light. It didn't hurt at all when I was getting it done. So I'm happy to wear this and basically get my hair out of this heat. So that is pretty much what's going on. I'll do an update after like 2 weeks, letting you guys know how the hair is holding up. But pretty much that is it, and it has been a successful Weave It Up Wednesday. Shout out to the boutique room, to Alicia for doing my hair. I really appreciate it. Took a lot of time, but you're